Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature of the Messenger app on PC that makes finding your messages easier than ever. Whether you're searching for an old conversation or a specific topic, this new update has streamlined the process. Let's get started with the steps to search for a message in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your computer. If you haven't already, you can download it from the official website. Once it's up and running, you'll be greeted by your messages and chats. Next, look to the top corner of the app, where you'll find the search bar. This is your gateway to finding exactly what you're looking for. Simply click on the search bar, and you'll be ready to type. Now, it's time to write what you are searching for. This could be a keyword from the conversation, a person's name, or even a specific phrase that you remember. As you type, keep an eye on the suggestions that pop up. They can help you refine your search and find results more quickly. Once you've entered your search term, hit enter or click on the search icon. The app will display a list of results based on your query. This is where the magic happens. Browse through the results to find the specific message or chat you were looking for. If you see the conversation you need, simply click on it, and it will open right up, allowing you to review the messages instantly. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily search for any message in the Messenger app on your PC. This update makes staying organized and finding important information a breeze, saving you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks. Happy messaging.